This is the professional wireless lavalier microphone. Unboxing. On the side, there are some information on the features. Here's more information on the specs. So the item has a storage bag to store all the components. So I'm just going to unzip it and we'll look inside it. First thing I notice is it has a user manual. Here we have some more information. Clips. Cables for the microphone. Mounts. Amp to filter sound. Microphone. Transmitter, and this is where you would connect the mic. Here's where you would add the clip, and also where you could add the mount. Here's the battery compartment. Has some issues, but I showed it later on in the video. So here's the removal of the battery. So you just make sure to clip it and push out. Make sure when you take out the battery you don't damage the plastic at the bottom. Here I'm doing the installation on the camera, so I'm just adding the mount. and you make sure it's nice and snug, it's tight so it doesn't fall off. It's similar to the camera, so you're just doing the installation on the camcorder. Here I'm connecting the cable to the mic port. And so you can see my camcorder automatically detects it. It turns off the internal mic. Here I'm doing the installation on the smartphone. So next I'm going to do some examples on the audio so you can listen to the audio and how great it sounds. Okay, so I'm testing the audio about 5 feet away from the mic and the camera. And so I'm just going to test and see if it continues to pick up the audio as I walk away from the camera. And so probably like 50 feet or more. And so I have the receiver right in my pocket. The mic is around 8 inches away. I'm going to walk towards it again, see if the audio continues to pick up at the same frequency. And so I'm just going to, you can hear the leaves crunching, and that is the mic. Okay, this is the mic, and so I have it pointing down so you can't hear the popping or when you cough or sneeze or heavy breathe. Now if I turn around, here I'm going to turn it where it's pointed up towards my voice. You can hear it too. And so the audio should be a little louder. But if you breathe heavy or you don't want to hear the breathing, you want to point it down. Also, you want the mic around 4 to 8 inches down away from your mouth, and pretty much make sure it's clipped on. That way it doesn't move, because if it moves too much, it'll make noise too. And as you can tell when I was outside, if it's clipped on, even when you walk or move, it doesn't have that static sound. It should just sound clear. And this is a great mic. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.